Hello my dear students, myself Vishal Virani and today we are going to discuss class 12 statistics part 2 lesson number 1. Lesson number 1 is that probability, okay? Probability. So in this chapter today we are going to solve the exercise number 1.3 and today we are going to solve the example number 5 to 8 of the exercise 1.3. okay, so come on to the example number 5. Example number 5 is that two balanced dice are thrown simultaneously. Yes, we throw two balanced dice. Find the probability that sum of number on two dice is multiple of 2 or 3. Yes, or means union. Understand? Yes, suppose event A is that sum of number on two dice is multiple of 2. Yes, and suppose event B is that sum of number on two dice is multiple of 3. Yes, so event A is the sum on two dice is multiple of 2 and event B is the sum of number on two dice is multiple of 3, and there is a or means the union. So we have to find the probability of A union B. Okay, so to find the probability of A union B, the equation is that P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B and minus P of intersection of event A and B. Yes, so we have to first of all find the probability of event A, probability of event B, and find the probability of intersection of event A and B. Yes, and first of all we have to find the total number of the sample space. Yes, and how many it will be total element of the sample space. If we throw a two balanced dice, yes, then the total number of the sample space M is equal to 36 and we know it. Yes, two balanced dice are thrown simultaneously. Okay, so that our sample space U is equal to 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 6 3 1 3 2 3 3 3 4 3 5 3 6. Clear? Okay, now then 4 1 4 2 4 3 4 4 4 5 4 6, then 5 1 5 2 5 3 5 6 5 4 5 5 5 6, then 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 5 and 6 6. Clear? Okay, and how many it will be? Total number of the possible outcome, it will be 36. Yes, so the n is equal to 36. Okay, and our event A is that, okay, A is equal to event of sum of number on two dice is multiple of 3. Sum of numbers on two dice is multiple of 2. Yes, it is multiple of 2. When it is multiple of 2, when sum on the dice is 2 4 then 6 8 10 or 12. Yes, okay, so our sample space is equal to, for the event A, okay, 1 and 1 is equal to 2. Yes, it is multiplied by 2. Then 1 2, 1 odd and even, no, this is 1 3, then 1 no 1 4, then 1 5, okay, 2 1, no, 2 1 is not included, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, then 2 6, then 3 1, then 3 3, then 3 5, then 4 not 4 1, 4 2, 4 4, 4 6, yes, then 5 1, 5 3, 5 5, 6 2, then 6 4, and 6 6, yes. So the how many favorable outcome for event A? For the event A, number of the favorable outcome M is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 and 18. Yes, so M is equal to 18. Okay, so the probability of event A, P of A, is equal to M by N. M is equal to 18 and N is equal to 36. Clear? Okay, now event B. Event B is that event B is the event of sum of number on two dice is multiple of 3. Yes, when it is multiple of 3, when the sum is 3 6 9 and 12. Yes, so our sample space for the event B is that 1 2, then 1 5. Clear? Okay, 1 2 1 2 1 3 is equal to 4, 1 4, 1 plus 4 is equal to 5, 1 plus 6, 1 plus 5 is equal to 6, 1 plus 6 3. Yes, so 2 1, then no, yes, 2 and 4 is equal to 6, then 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, okay, then 3 plus 6 is equal to 9, then 4 plus 2 is equal to 6, then 4 plus 5 is equal to 9, 4 plus 5 is equal to 9, then 5 plus 1 is equal to 6, yes, then 8 9, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10, 5 plus 4 is equal to 9, so it is also okay. Then 5 plus 5 is not, 5 plus 6 is equal to 11, 6 plus 1 is equal to 7, 6 plus 2 is equal to n, 6 plus 3 is equal to 9, so 6 3, then 6 plus 4 is equal to 10, and last one is 6 and 6. Okay, so this is the element of the event B. Okay, how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Okay, so the number of the favorable outcome of event B is equal to 12. Yes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 11 and 12. Okay, so the probability of event B is equal to M by N. M is equal to 12 and N is equal to 36. Okay, now we have to find the probability of intersection of event A and B. Yes, so the event intersection of event A and B is that event of sum of number on two dice is multiple of 3 2 and 3. There is 2 and 3 for the end there is an intersection. Okay, 2 and 3, and it is the LCM of 2 and 3. Yes, LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Yes, so it is multiple of 6. Yes, and it is a 6, then it is also 12. Clear? So एलिमेंट ऑफ द इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ इवेंट ए एंड बी 6 एंड 12, जिसका सम 6 एंड 12 है वो उसको ही लेना है। क्लियर? तो यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं 1 + 2 = 3, 1 + 5 = 6, then 3 + 3 = 6, then 6 + 3 4, 4 + 2 = 6, then 9, yes, 5 + 1 = 6, and then last one is 6 and 6 = 6. There is also 2 and 4, yes, 2 and 4, yes. So the how many element? It will be 6. So the m is equal to 6, m is equal to 6. So that probability of intersection of event A and B is equal to m by n. M is equal to 6 and n is equal to 36. Okay, but we have to find the probability of a union of event A and B. Yes, and the event A union B is the event of sum of number on the dais is multiple of 2 or 3, 2 or 3, yes, 4 or there is a union. Okay, so we have to find the probability of event A union B, and we can write the formula is that P of A plus P of B and minus P A union B. Clear? Okay, so put the value P of A is equal to 18 by 36, P of B is equal to 12 by 36, and P of A intersection of A and B is equal to 6 by 36, yes, minus 6 by 36. So the answer is that 18 plus 12 minus 6 upon 36, yes. So it will be 18 plus 6 is equal to 24 by 36, yes. So it is equal to 2 by 3. Clear? Write down it. Done. Okay, now come on to the example number 6. Example number 6 is that the probability price of potato rice in the vegetable market during the festive days is 0.8. Yes, probability of the price of potato is 0.8, and the probability that price of onion rice is 0.6. Probability of the price of onion is 0.7. Okay, the probability of the rise in price of both potato and onion is 0.6. Yes, the probability of the rise of price of both potato and onion is 0.6. Then find the probability of rise in price of at least one of the two, potato and onion. We have to find the probability of the price of rise of at least one, कम से कम एक. Okay, so suppose there is a event A is the rise of the price of potato, yes, and the event B is the rise of the price of the onion, yes. And here we can see that the probability of the rise in price of both the potato and onion is also given. Yes, it means the intersection of event A and B. Yes, this is the probability of P of A, this is the probability of the P of B, and this is the probability of the intersection of event A and B. Why? Because there is a potato and onion. Yes, clear? So write it. Event A is the rise in the rise of the price of potato. Clear? Okay. And event B is the rise of the price of onion. Yes, so the event A is equal to event of rise of price of potato, and B is equal to event of rise of price of onion, then A intersection B is equal to event of rise of the price of potato and onion. Yes, and it will be the probability of these three event will be given. Yes, P of A, probability of rise of price of potato will be 0.8. Yes, so that P of B, rise of price, probability of rise of price is of onion is 0.7. Yes, then the probability of rise of price of onion and potato means probability of intersection of event A and B is equal to 0.6. Yes, and now we have to find the probability of rise in price of at least one, कम से कम एक होना चाहिए. यस, कि पोटैटो की प्राइस इंक्रीज हुई होगी, या तो सिर्फ ऑनियन की प्राइस इंक्रीज होगी, या तो ऑनियन और पोटैटो दोनों की प्राइस राइज होगी. ओके, सो देयरफॉर दिस इज डिनोटेड बाय द A union B, event A union B. Yes, so the event A union B is equal to event of rise of price of at least one of the two, potatoes and onion. At least one of the two, potato and onion. Clear? So this is denoted by A union B, and thus now we have to find the probability of A union B, and it is equal to P of A plus P of B, understand, minus P of A intersection B. Put the value. Okay, P of A is equal to 0.8, P of B is equal to 0.7, minus P intersection AB is equal to 0.6. Yes, so 0.7 minus 0.6 is equal to 0.1, and 0.8 plus 0.1 is equal to 0.9. Clear? Write down it. Okay, done. Okay, now come on to the example number 7. Example number 7 is two aircraft drop bomb to destroy a bridge. Okay, there is a true aircraft drop a bomb to destroy a bridge. The probability of that bomb destroy from the first aircraft hits the target is 0.9. Yes, and the probability that the bomb from the second aircraft hits the target is 0.7. Okay, and the probability of one bomb drop from the both aircraft hitting the target is 0.633. Yes, the bridge is destroyed even if one bomb drop on it. Yes, ब्रिज है वो डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाएगा. कब डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाएगा? एक बम गिरेगा तब भी वो डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाएगा, दो गिरेगा तो भी वो डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाएगा, एटलीस्ट वन गिरेगा तो तब भी ब्रिज है वो डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाएगा. क्लियर? फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट द ब्रिज इज डिस्ट्रॉय. ओके, क्लियर? तो ब्रिज कब डिस्ट्रॉय होगा? जब एक बम गिरेगा तब भी डिस्ट्रॉय होगा, और दो बम गिरेंगे तब भी डिस्ट्रॉय होगा. यस, क्लियर? तो यहाँ पे हमको क्या फाइंड करना है? प्रोबेबिलिटी फाइंड करनी है. तो किसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी फाइंड करेंगे? P ऑफ A यूनियन B की. यस, क्लियर? व्हाई? सपोज इवेंट A is that bomb dropped from the first aircraft hit the target. Okay, yes, bomb is dropped from the first aircraft and it hits the target. And the second event means event B is that bomb from the second aircraft hits the target is 0.7. Okay, and next, this is the probability of event A. P of A is equal to 0.9, P of B is equal to 0.7, and the third probability is 0.6 is 63. Okay, for what? The probability of one bomb destroy from the both the aircraft hitting the target is 0.633 from both means end. Okay, for end there is an intersection. Yes, so this is the probability of the intersection of event A and B. Okay, so our answer is that A is equal to event of event of bomb dropped from the first aircraft hit the target. Okay, and event B is the event of bomb drop from the second aircraft hit on the target. Clear? And intersection of event A and B is the event of bomb drop from the both aircraft hit the target. Clear? Okay. Now we can find the probability of event A, B and intersection of event A and B. Yes, P of A. First event A is the bomb drop from the first aircraft in the target, and the probability is the 0.9, and the P of B is equal to 0.7. Yes, then the P of A intersection B is equal to 0.36. Okay, now we have to find the probability of the bridge is destroyed even if one bomb drop on it. Yes, one bomb drop on it, then the bridge is destroyed. ओके, कम से कम एक बॉम्ब है वो गिरना चाहिए, तो एक से ज़्यादा भी चलेगा. यस, एक से ज़्यादा भी चलेगा. पहला फर्स्ट बॉम्ब है वो गिरेगा तब भी चलेगा, और दूसरा बॉम्ब गिरेगा तब भी डिस्ट्रॉय होगा, और दोनों बॉम्ब गिरेंगे तब भी डिस्ट्रॉय होगा. यस, तो इस इवेंट को हम कैसी इवेंट कहते हैं? A union B. Event A union B is that a bridge is destroyed even if one bomb drop in it. Okay, event is that event of the bridge is destroyed even if one bomb drop on it. Okay, now we have to find the probability of the event A union B. P of A union B is equal to, what is the formula? P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Put the value. P of A is equal to 0.9, P of B is equal to 0.7 minus P of A intersection of A and B is equal to 0.633. Okay, so it will be 0.9 plus 0.7 minus 0.633 is equal to 0.07 is equal to 0.07. Okay, so it will be 0.97. Clear? Write down it. Okay, now we are come on to the example number 8. Write down it. Done. Okay, chalo. Example number 8 is that the probability that teenager coming in a restaurant. Yes, खाना खाने के लिए जा रहा है कोई है, और खाने में क्या मंगा रहा है? खाने में है वो पिज़्ज़ा मंगा रहा है और कोल्ड ड्रिंक ऑर्डर कर रहा है. पिज़्ज़ा और कोल्ड ड्रिंक ऑर्डर कर रहा है, तो इसमें की है कहा हुआ है कि पिज़्ज़ा ऑर्डर करने की प्रोबेबिलिटी इतनी है, कोल्ड ड्रिंक ऑर्डर करने की प्रोबेबिलिटी इतनी है. क्लियर? सो द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट टीनेजर कमिंग टू द रेस्टोरेंट फॉर अ डिनर order pizza is the 0.30. Okay, probability of the order of pizza is the 0.30. Yes, and the probability of ordering cold drinks is 0.54. Yes, so event A is that order of pizza. Yes, and event B is the ordering a cold drink. Okay, now the probability that the teenager order at least one out of pizza and cold drinks. Yes, what is the meaning of the at least one out of pizza and cold drinks? And this probability is 0.88. At least one means कम से कम एक वो सिर्फ पिज़्ज़ा ऑर्डर करता है, या तो वो सिर्फ कोल्ड ड्रिंक ऑर्डर करता है, या तो पिज़्ज़ा और कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स दोनों ऑर्डर करता है, तो उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी कितनी है? 0.88. यस, सो दिस इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ इवेंट ऑफ A union B. ए यूनियन बी मीन्स इवेंट ए होगी, सिर्फ ये इवेंट ए होगी, या तो सिर्फ इवेंट बी होगी, या तो इवेंट ए एंड बी दोनों होगी। क्लियर? तो यहाँ पे भी ऐसा ही है ना कि एटलीस्ट वन आउट ऑफ पिज्जा एंड कोल्ड ड्रिंक, एटलीस्ट वन, कम से कम एक तो ऑर्डर करता ही है कि वो सिर्फ पिज्जा ही ऑर्डर करेगा, या तो सिर्फ कोल्ड ड्रिंक ही ऑर्डर करेगा, या तो पिज्जा और कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स दोनों ऑर्डर करेगा। यस, सो दिस इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए यूनियन बी। ओके, नाउ then the teenager coming for the dinner, find the probability that the teenager coming the dinner on a certain day order only one out of two item from the pizza and cold drink। ओके, और वो कोई और दिन आता है रेस्टोरेंट में और क्या ऑर्डर करता है, ओनली वन ऑफ टू आइटम, दोनों में से पिज्जा और कोल्ड ड्रिंक में से कोई एक ही चीज है वो ऑर्डर करता है। यस, तो कैसी प्रोबेबिलिटी हो सकती है? दो प्रोबेबिलिटी हो सकती है कि वो सिर्फ पिज्जा ही ऑर्डर करे, वो सिर्फ पिज्जा ही ऑर्डर करे, कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स ऑर्डर ना करे। यस, सो वी कैन राइट एज they order a pizza and they not order a pizza। clear? so this is the intersection। यहाँ पे उसने पिज़्ज़ा ऑर्डर किया हुआ है, कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स ऑर्डर नहीं किया हुआ है, क्योंकि बी, इवेंट बी क्या है, ऑर्डरिंग ऑफ द कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स, एंड बी डैश मीन्स नॉट ऑर्डरिंग ऑफ द कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स। क्लियर? एंड इवेंट ई इज द ऑर्डरिंग ऑफ अ पिज़्ज़ा। तो यहाँ पे उसने पिज़्ज़ा ऑर्डर किया हुआ है, यहाँ पे उसने कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स ऑर्डर नहीं की हुई है। ओके, तो ये एक केस हो सकता है। दूसरा केस क्या हो सकता है, दे ऑर्डर ओनली वन ऑफ टू आइटम। यहाँ पे इसने पिज्जा ऑर्डर किया है लेकिन कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स नहीं ऑर्डर की है। तो ऐसा भी हो सकता है ना कि वो कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स ऑर्डर करता है लेकिन वो पिज्जा नहीं ऑर्डर करता है। यस, सो दिस इज इंटरसेक्शन। ओके, और ये दोनों में से कोई भी इवेंट हो सकती है, कोई भी इवेंट हो सकती है, तो ये बीच में क्या आएगा, और आएगा। यस, ये इवेंट भी हो सकती है और ये इवेंट भी हो सकती है, और के लिए हम क्या लिखते हैं, इंटरसेक्शन लिखते हैं। यस, सो द वी हैव टू फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ दिस। क्लियर? ओके, हियर आई कैन राइट इट। ओके, इवेंट ए, आंसर इज दैट ए इज इक्वल टू इवेंट ऑफ ऑर्डरिंग पिज्जा। हाँ, मजा आ गया। ओके, चलो, इवेंट ऑफ ऑर्डरिंग पिज्जा। यस, देन बी इज द इवेंट ऑफ ऑर्डरिंग कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स। देन ए यूनियन बी आर गिवन। यस, and A union B is the ordering at least one out of pizza and cold drinks। okay, event of ordering at least one out of pizza and cold drinks, Coca-Cola। okay, clear? So there is probability is also given, P of A is equal to 0.633, no doubt। then P of B is equal to 0.54, yes। okay, then P of A union B is equal to 0.88। okay, and we have to find the probability of A union B। yes, and our task is that to find okay, I write here। okay, we have to find P A intersection B dash union P of B intersection A dash। okay, we have to find P intersection B dash union P intersection of B and A dash, okay, is equal to, and how we can calculate, what is the formula for it, P of A intersection B dash, and the equation for it, P of A minus P intersection A and B। okay, then for union there is a plus, then how we can find the P of B intersection A dash, the formula is that P of B and minus P of A intersection B। clear? okay, which value will be given, P of A is given, P of B is given, yes, but P of A intersection B is not given। yes, so our task is to find the P A intersection B, and from where our formula of the addition of the probability is the law of the addition of the probability is that P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B and minus P A intersection B. Yes, we have to find P intersection B. So P intersection A and B is equal to P of A plus P of B and minus P of A union B. Okay, now put the value. P of A is equal to 0.63, P of B is equal to 0.54 and minus P of A union B is equal to 0.88. Okay, so it will be 1.7, then 6 and 5 is equal to 1.17 minus 0.88, and it will be 12 plus 17 means 1929. Yes, so it is equal to 0.29. Yes, so this is the probability of intersection of event A and B. Clear? Okay, now put the value of P of A, P of B and the P of A intersection of event A and B over here. Okay, P of A is equal to 0.63. Yes, minus P A intersection B is equal to 0.29. Okay, plus P of B is equal to 0.54. Yes, and minus P intersection A and B 0.29. Okay, so that our answer is that 0.63. okay, first of all I count it 1.17 minus 0.88, yes, is equal to 0.29. okay, then 0.63 minus 0.29 is equal to 0.34 and plus 0.54 minus 0.29 is equal to 0.25 and plus 0.34 is equal to 0.59. yes, so this is our answer. Clear? Write down it. Okay, so keep practicing and we will meet you in next lecture.